Now that we have reviewed the basic structural and functional units of the nervous system, we can begin to understand more about its organization. The most important division is between the central and peripheral nervous systems. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system is made up of all the nerves that enter and exit the brain and spinal cord. When we further examine the components of the peripheral nervous system, we see that the neuronal axons are insulated by connective tissue, which provides support, protection, and structure. These axons are then gathered together many times over to make cable-like bundles called nerves, which transmit signals across large distances. These nerves serve as the body's connection to the outside world, with sensory nerves bringing information to the brain for processing and decision-making, and motor nerves transmitting commands from the brain to the body to carry out actions, creating an information loop that allows us to quickly respond to changes in our environment. This loop can be further divided based on the type of body parts sending and receiving signals. The somatic or voluntary nervous system controls skeletal muscles and movement, while the autonomic or involuntary nervous system controls internal organs and glands. The autonomic nervous system is divided one last time based on function. The sympathetic branch is responsible for keeping our bodies alert and active. It can increase the rate at which our hearts beat or lungs take in oxygen. The parasympathetic branch signals that it's time to rest and digest, slowing heart rate and respiration but increasing the function of organs like the stomach and intestines. Over time, we will further discuss the peripheral nervous system and its role in creating the physical symptoms of common mental health problems such as anxiety and depression, as well as techniques for correcting such problems to calm the mind and body. But first, we must finish our structural and functional review, continuing with the central nervous system. So remember to stay tuned for more.